Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I'll explain how to use RC car for the beginners. Once again, I am repeating, this is especially for the beginners who are using the car for the first time. I'll tell you the remote operation, how you can insert the batteries, then this smoke function, how you can get the smoke, and the basic remote operation, forward movement, backward, reverse. Okay, yeah, and this steering, everything I'll be explaining in this one video. When you take this out from the box, so these are the items you will get. There is one more thing, the cable, the charging cable. Maybe I'll explain that one also. Yeah, this is the charging cable they provided in the box. So what I did is I connected to this USB cable, the mobile adapter, and this C type port. So first I'll start with the charging. So invert this so that you will find this C port. So as this is the CMP charging, you need to insert. So just try to insert this charging port. Done. Now what you need to do is just plug in this. So this been charging, right? Okay, fine. Now we'll go to the next step. We need to insert the batteries to this remote, because see here, it is now not in the operation. We need to give the power, right? I'm just screwing up. Take a very small screwdriver which can fit this bolt here, and you can unscrew this and to remove this. Fine. These are two AA batteries, okay, not AAA. 1.5 volt. Just check it here. So it is working. Now what you need to do is you need to again put this, screw it. Fine. Now this is ready to the operation. Before just controlling this with the remote, you'll have a power button. Yes, for the smoke effect, you need to pour a little bit of water into this water tank, then close it. And on the remote, you'll find a button, one single button only on the remote. You need to press that in order to turn on the light. When the light is turned on, you'll automatically see that smoke effect. Whether it is visible or not, maybe I can place my hand over there so that you can clearly see that. Okay, and if you press back side, that would, the car would go forward. This is reverse, the opposite is reverse. Okay, yeah. And that wheel, the rotating wheel, is for the front wheel rotation. Okay, first of all, this RC car is two-wheel drive, only the rear wheels have the motor power. Okay, many people are searching for 4x4 cars. In the next video, what I'll do is I'll be unboxing the 4x4 off-road rock crawler. Yeah, please do comment your opinion. If you feel this tutorial is informative and if it is helpful, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.